Well, let's talk about random videos. Here's a random one for you. There's probably videos on YouTube all over the place, but who knows? How about we pop the cover off of a Sony USB charger? What do you think? She's a 5 volt, 1.5 amp. I think I'm kind of interested to see what it looks like on the inside. What do you think? Ordinary USB plug on that side, two-prong plug we use here in North America, and this one's made by Sony. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can peel this apart. I'll have a wee peek on the inside of this thing. I'm kind of curious. I don't know why, but I'm kind of curious. Let's have a wee peek, shall we? For badness, let's rip her apart, yeah. Okay, so to help the trusty hacksaw, cut across there, give her a couple of whacks with a hammer, and apart she comes. So, let's see what's inside of a USB charger. Let's get me those pliers here. I just hold on to that. There we go. Maybe hold on to it. There we go. There you go. That's what's inside of a USB charger. This side's the AC side, and obviously this side's the DC side. And why can't that hold onto that? This is the actual plug. You got two little contacts there basically inside here. Line up with these guys here. Let's have an even closer look at this. Okay, so let's have a really close look here. So we've got one fuse right here. We've got fuse 2. Looks like there's a couple fuses on this thing. Resistor here. A couple 400 volt electrolytic capacitors. They're cool to have. Little transformer. The USB plug. A couple low voltage capacitors, electrolytics right here. We've got this side. How close I can get here with this. See if I can get you to see if I can get a good shot of these, maybe. There we go. You get the light a certain way so you can read it. Bridge rectifier right there, looks like. We got the KF3N60 right here. Looks pretty well constructed, I would think. Got a build name here. Mitsumi. I guess that's the company that designed or factory designed the board. Cool. Anyway, just figured I'd pull apart this USB charger that we all have kicking around everywhere, and show you what it looked like on the inside. Yeah, why not? Nothing wrong with having a little wee peek inside of stuff, eh? I don't think there's any harm in it, personally. It seems to be well built. Got a nice separation put in the board here, cut in the board. Except to hide the high voltage side from the low voltage side. Anyways, a little video for you tonight. Yeah, let's see what else we can dig up for a video. But this little charger seems pretty well built, I think.